In this lecture, we will move the object creation part, that is the pizza creation part, into a factory class, so that if we need to create a pizza anywhere else in our application, we can reuse that factory instead of repeating this code everywhere in our application. So get started by right clicking on the package, new class, call it PizzaFactory. Finish. Public, it will have a static method which will create the pizzas for us. So it will return a pizza back. Create pizza is the method name, and it takes string type as the parameter. Go back to the pizza store. You can copy this entire logic starting from pizza all the way to the end of else if, the last else if. Come back to PizzaFactory and paste it inside create pizza. Format it and return the pizza back. That's it. That's our PizzaFactory class with the create pizza method, to which if we pass a type, it will create an appropriate pizza and it will return it back. Go back to pizza store. You can get rid of this if else ladder. Now it becomes very simple. P is equal to pizza factory dot create pizza, and you pass in the type that comes in to the order. So whatever type is being passed in from our test will be passed into create pizza. So go back to the test. We are passing in chicken pizza. Let's run the test again. And we see preparing chicken pizza, baking chicken pizza, and cutting chicken pizza. Everything works as expected and as before. The only thing is that we have moved the object creation process to a factory class by implementing a factory pattern.